Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Roblox Saber Simulator. And so there was an update yesterday which had a big influence on the way I played. So we got these sabers, which are the scorpions. We haven't got new ranks, but the ranks from the update before that were new. We got Witch and Gladiator rank. I'm Red Baron. So 2 ranks to go. So I have been grinding. I haven't been able to get on leaderboards or anything, but I still just grind. So I don't think I'd be on leaderboards for a long time, since I think most of them are gladiators and I'm not even Witch yet. So I'll just kill this boss. So yeah, they has kept the 5x strength event, but also added 5x crowns. So that's been a massive impact on my egg grinding. So if we head up to the hill, I wouldn't get that much usually, and he hasn't been a private server, so it doesn't work. So I just have to farm bosses. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of people like ZMLZ Gaming taking over every single leaderboard there is. Next one he's gonna take over is Boscos. I don't even know where he is on Boscos. The 18th. He's keeping up, but he hasn't played for long, so he might not take over the time played. But so I've been grinding Top Island, and the eggs are pretty good, so I'm gonna just grind and pay back. Okay guys, I am back, and we have we've nearly gotten to 1 SD strength, so we can just grind that. So I haven't been posting lately since I've been really tired, not really wanting to post. I was told a lot to keep posting, but I didn't feel like it. And also, this is a really cool thing. So if you go ahead and jump out here, you can see the new pets, what they look like before getting them. So we go ahead and got the pink crystal, which is this pet right here. And we got the rose, if you guys want to see that. We got these pets, all of these. And yeah, okay, so let's head back over. There's been this glitch where I haven't been swinging, so it just swings without it. So I just get strength without it, and then I sell when I get to 1 SD strength. I don't save anything too big, so when I sell I might off cam get to 1 SD strength again. Okay, so here it is. You go and sell, we get 7. Okay, so I'm gonna go grind 1 SD strength, and I'll be back when I get that. Okay guys, I went ahead and grinded for a while, but I'm gonna have to end the video here. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Leave a like for more. If we hit 100 subscribers, I will go ahead and I will literally post a cringy Fortnite video, or a cringy video of myself doing a cringy dance. So hopefully we can get to that. I'm not looking forward to if we reach doing a cringy dance. Something cringy Fortnite video, cringy Roblox, or just teaching you like scripting like Lua on Roblox Studio. So, hope you all have enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you want more. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on notifications to never miss another video. And I will be starting to post Minecraft. I'll post my first Minecraft video in I think probably an hour from when I post this video. Bye.